Warning, Europe is a big place with a lot of different bureaucracy going on, and sometimes it can be pretty difficult to keep up with all that bureaucracy that comes out of Brussels straight through to the rest of the EU. But this is important. There's two brand new directives that if you sell or are thinking of selling in Europe, you need to know about them. What are they? I'm going to show you right now. And there's two new directives that I think you should be aware of as well, especially if you are considering or indeed do sell in Europe. Okay, first one is this one. It's called the right of withdrawal. In its most basic form, it's twofold. The first part is that you must make it clear on your website or on Amazon what your company is, where your company is located, who your company is, and you must make it easy for somebody to contact your company. Telephone number and email is absolutely necessary in Europe now, okay? And that also falls under something which they've called becoming a trader in Europe, okay? So if you are in Australia and you want to sell in Europe, then you'll need to make sure that's all publicly available for your customers. Second, if you sell on Amazon, this is already there because Amazon's got a 30-day policy around refunds. But if you don't sell on Amazon, you sell on Shopify or something like that, you need to make sure that your returns, your return policies are up to date. Specifically, there's a 14 days now where they must be allowed to return the goods, okay? So that's the first two directives. Number one, 14-day returns. Number two, crystal clear who the hell you are and a way to contact you as well if you sell in Europe, Next, if you sell in Germany, and here's the thing about this, okay? Right now, this is a German-centric thing, okay? And it's all to do with packaging, and Germany is really full on about their green elements of packaging and things like that, which is where this comes from, okay? But what starts in Germany will end up throughout Europe. That's how this happens, okay? So you might as well just get it in place now. So what is it? Well, pretty simple. If you sell into Germany, like I do, then you have to register your packaging with these people. And don't try and make me pronounce that. Zenstral, Stel, Verpackungsregister. Essentially, it's a register, EU, for the packaging that you use to make sure that your packaging is reusable or renewable. It's good green packaging, okay? But you have to register it on this website. If you don't, it's up to 200,000 euros fine. Up to 200,000 euros fine, which is a lot, okay? So that must be done. And as I said, the thing with these sort of things is if you do them, it's a bit of a pain in the ass to do them, but once you've done them, it actually, you can then use it for other things. Like Amazon checks these databases, other countries will check these databases in Europe anyway, because it's all linked. So it's well worth doing. It's free to do, by the way, as well. That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. Now, if you haven't already, you might want to go and check out the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. The link is in the description to go. While you're looking down there, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe too, because we post brand new money-making information just like this each and every day. By the way, Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, over 2,500 of us in the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We're actually the fastest growing community of professional e-commerce sellers here in Australia, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. Be sure to check us out. The link's in the description to go, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao for now.